Hello children, how are you all? Today we will continue with English Unit 7 Topsy Turvy Land. As you know that we have completed explanation of this chapter, this poem in the previous video, and I said to you to write the poem in your English classwork notebook. So children, today we will discuss its new words and some exercises and question answers. So I request you all, please open your textbook page number 112 of English. New words, it is given in your textbook, you can copy from textbook also. Topsy-turvy means upside down. Pleasure, feeling of enjoyment. Grand, big or great fun. See the question answers. Question 1. When do children go to school in Topsy-turvy land? Answer. The children go to school at night in Topsy-turvy land. Question 2. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? How should it rightly be? Answer. If buses travel on the sea, the boats travel up and down the streets. Boats should rightly be in still water. Question 3. The topsy-turvy land is very different from our land. Let's draw a comparison by filling in sentences whenever needed. Here we have topsy-turvy land and our land. So children, this you have to copy in the classwork notebook. I have here mentioned the answers. In topsy-turvy land, number 1, people walk on their heads. In the opposite way, our land, people walk on their feet. Number 2, the buses run on the sea. In our land, the buses run on land. 3, they wear their heads on the feet. Our land, they wear their heads on head. 4, boats run on the streets. On our land, boats sail in the sea. 5, people pay for what they don't get. In our land, people pay for what they get. Now see the next question, page number 113. Question 1. The words in the sentences are jumbled here. Rearrange them to make meaningful sentences. Words that begin with a capital letter are the first word of the sentence. So here we have 5 sentences and that is the jumbled. We have to arrange it. So children, this you can write here beside places here in the textbook. Otherwise you can give the correct number of each sentence. So here I am going to read answers for you. Renu is a naughty girl. See, number 1, Renu is a naughty girl. You have to jumble this, you have to rearrange the meaningful sentence. Number 2, her room is always untidy. 3, her mother advises her to clean it. 4, she never listens to her mother. 5, what kind of a child are you? So children, after each sentences you are having the space, so this you have to write in the textbook. Now see next page, page number 114. Question 1. Write 5 things that you do at home to make your home look neat and clean. This you have to write by yourself. This is your homework. You have to write in the textbook only with pencil that what are you doing to keep your home look neat and clean. That you have to note down. Now see the next question. Let's imagine a topsy-turvy scene and describe it in the lines below. Here I am going to say you some lines with this topsy-turvy scene. You have to write this paragraph in this lines in the textbook. See this answer. One day when I was studying late night for my exams, I saw that the books were flying in my room. The lamp was singing a melodious song. Suddenly, the lights started blinking and there was rain outside. The table was running after the chair. The chair was playing a guitar. The topsy-turvy scene blew my mind off. So children, this is very nice and interesting story. Sorry, lines. You can write it here. Now see, after this, question 3, here we have some sentences. The magic kite and who did the lion eat. This both stories sentences were mixed up. You have to put it in the different way, means you have to set up in a story. Now see children, write meanings question 1, question 2 and question 3 of given on page number 112. That only you have to write in your English classwork notebook. Other all exercises you have to write only in the textbook and learn it well. Thank you.